bust down, Barbiana, bust down, Barbiana. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust down and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Bust it open and pick that shit up. Hey yo.
Hey, what's up you guys? Welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be sponsored by BLY Hair on Amazon. Now they sent me an 18-inch U-part wig and it is in the texture Kinky Curly. So here I'm just showing you like their business card that came inside the packaging. As well as they gave me a wig cap, and this is the wig. It came with like a net over it to protect the hair, and it also came with like some tissue paper inside the wig. So this is what the wig looks like. Now, like I said, this is a U-part wig. I have never worked with a U-part wig, so I was kind of excited to try this out. And also it does come with like combs in the wig and stuff like that. It came with about, I think, 5 combs, 4 on this, 2 on each side, and then 1 in the back. So this is what the inside of the wig looks like here. And like I said, this hair is from BLY Hair, so I will put all the information in the description box below. So I'm going to be actually coloring this hair. I'm going to be bleaching it, and then I'm going to be coloring it. Now today I'm going to be doing something a little bit different with my coloring. I seen someone actually do like the water color method but for bleach, so it's almost like I'm water bleaching or whatever you want to call it. So I'm basically going to be mixing some powder bleach and then a 30 volume developer, and then I'm going to be mixing some hot water into the bleach, and it's kind of going to be like a bleach bath, if that makes sense. So it's basically like the same method you would use if you were watercoloring hair. So that's basically what I'm going to be doing for this wig. So I'm just going to mix the bleach together first before I add my hot water. Now I did boil water off of the stove because, as you know, like heat also helps to process hair when you're bleaching it. So I wanted to make sure that I actually did boil this water. Normally if I do like the watercolor method, I don't really boil my water, but because I was bleaching and I wanted the bleach to really process, since I know it's going to be diluted with the water, I made sure that the water was hot. So now I'm just pouring in my hot water, mixing that up, and then I'm going to put my wig in. So this is going to be a little bit self-explanatory, so I'm just going to let you guys continue to watch, and then I'll come back later when it is time to color the wig. Alright you guys, so that is what the wig looked like after I left it sitting for about 30 minutes. Now it was a really pretty color, however my hair color, like my natural hair right now, is red, so I'm going to be dyeing this hair red, and I'm using the Adore in the color Wild Cherry. Now I have 2 bottles, but I only used one, and I used about a little bit of the second. Like honestly, I used like a few squirts of the second bottle, so I pretty much used like 1 bottle. So I'm just going to be doing the watercolor method, and I'm pretty sure by now we all know how that goes. So I'm just going to pour my dye in, and then I'm going to be pouring some hot water in afterwards. I'm going to mix that up, and then I'm just going to basically dunk my wig in. Now this is a U-part wig, so I don't got to worry about staining the lace or anything like that. So I'm just going to just dump the wig in the water and the dye once everything is mixed up. Okay, you guys, so this is what the wig looked like once I finished coloring it and after I bleached it. Now, even after I bleached it and colored it, the hair was still super soft, and it still curled back up once I wet it. But I did brush my hair out a little bit before I began wand curling it. That's why it looks a little poofy, but the hair was still super soft, and it still had its curl pattern after I bleached it and colored it. So now I'm just going to style and blend my hair using my wand curler just to help my hair blend a little bit better with the wig. guys, so that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed me showing you like how I bleached this hair, how I colored it, and how I kind of like styled it. I did use my wand curler to help like blend my natural hair with this wig, because this is a U-part wig. This is a 18-inch kinky curly U-part wig. So like I said, I used my wand curler to help blend my hair. At first I crimped it, like I crimped my hair, but I didn't really like the way it looked, so I decided to use my wand curler, and I kind of like this better because this kind of gives me like bantu knot vibes. Like this is kind of like low-key how my natural hair looks when I put it in bantu knot, so I kind of like this look a little bit better. Now this hair is from BLY Hair, Beauty, Love and Youth Hair. I will have all the information listed down in the description box if you are interested in purchasing from this company. That is basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let me know in the comments how did I do with this leave out, y'all. I have not did leave out in forever, y'all. Forever. I didn't even have no edge control. I didn't have nothing. Like, I'm so used to doing baby hairs on like lace and just using like eco styling gel and got to be free spray. I'm like, what I'm going to use on my real edges, y'all? Let me know in the comments how I did. But that is basically it for this video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.